Right, on the tilt steering column, the biggest nightmare is the pressure ring, and that thing is called the upper shaft retainer. On the tilt column, you have the lock plate, but it doesn't work on the tilt column. So the center area right here holds down the snap ring that holds everything in pressure. On this one, it's a nightmare because it's super small and it sits inside. So the easiest way to do it would be to get a washer that actually is the size of this shaft, but they don't seem to exist. So what you have to do is you take the smallest of these steering tools, and I had to grind it down so there's room for the ring on the inside, and then what you do is you just slowly work it down. And as you work it down, you have to keep the pressure ring moving with you. So keep tapping the ring down as you go. And eventually it'll fall into the groove. And then the retaining ring has a little inset cut, and that ring that I just slid down fits in there, and then it holds everything in place. And this just looks really